It is still the same virus, but strengthening itself and its survival on new forms of variants from different countries. Now questions are raised on whether the current vaccine will be effective. Preliminary studies indicated that there is no reason to fear. The World Health Organization is determined to ensure that the matter is properly investigated and, when necessary, interventions are made.
What's most critical is that we sequence the virus effectively so we know how it's changing and how to respond. For example, while diagnostics and vaccines still seem to be effective against the current virus, we may need to tweak them in the future. Last week, WHO released a comprehensive implementation guide and risk monitoring framework to help countries set up high-impact sequencing programs. We call on all countries to increase the sequencing of the virus to supplement ongoing surveillance, monitoring, and testing efforts, and to share that data internationally.
The UN agency is also being proactive by looking at the future plans. Scientists will hold a meeting on Friday to look ahead.
WHO's R&D Blueprint Group is convening scientists from around the world to set global research priorities for the year ahead, including on virus variants and sequencing. This builds on a year's worth of work defining and delivering on an R&D roadmap for COVID-19. Just as we look forward on research and rolling out vaccines, we continue work on the origins. We're pleased that an international team of scientists, distinguished experts from 10 institutions and countries, are commencing their travel to China to engage in and review scientific research with their Chinese counterparts on the origins of the virus. I want to thank all GORN partners and the countries supporting this mission. This includes Australia, Denmark, Germany, Kenya, Japan, Netherlands, Qatar, Russia, Sudan, the United Kingdom, the United States of America, and Vietnam, and our colleagues from China. Studies will begin in Wuhan to identify the potential source of infection of the early cases. Scientific evidence will drive hypotheses, which will then be the basis for further long-term studies. This is important not just for COVID-19, but for the future of global health security and to manage emerging disease threats with pandemic potential.
Meanwhile, the issue of access to vaccine continues to be a challenge.
We have no other choice. Right now, we have a real prospect, if the right things are done by governments, if the right things are done by companies, that we can begin to accelerate the delivery of vaccines.
The World Health Organization will again convene a donor meeting to raise much needed funds for the COVAX facility. Sophie Mkwena, SABC News, Johannesburg.